If you're getting a ScriptHookV Critical Error after the GTA 5 latest update, then don't worry, I will tell you how you can easily fix it. To fix this error, first download these files from the link given in the description box. After they get downloaded, just simply extract this zip file using 7-zip or WinRAR. Now go inside this folder, and you will see these 4 files. Just copy all of these, and then paste them into your Grand Theft Auto 5 main directory. Now again, run your GTA 5. And now this error is fixed, and our GTA 5 is loaded successfully. This fix method will work on both Steam and Epic, so I hope, guys, this video is going to be helpful for you. And if you have any doubt or query, you can ask it in the comment box. Thank you for watching the video.